Hey, what's up? I'm here in the mountains of Mount Whitney. All around me, you can see the snow-topped mountains, and I'm just making this quick video to let you know what you're going to be getting in this training. So I have training all about how to create a high converting webinar using the system that I'm going to be teaching in this training. So if you want to know how to create a high converting message, how to create a webinar that actually sells, that converts, that has the highest form of connection and communication to your audience, you're going to want to watch this. It's really great. We go into a lot of cool things all around the psychology of the thing you need to make a webinar successful to get people to convert to buyers. Okay, that's what this is all about. So I'll see you in the training.
Here's the old method right here. This is why we see that webinars are working, even though, we're hearing every single day, hey, webinars don't work. And, that people will use that webinars don't work in their marketing. That's basically a marketing tactic intended to sound salacious. Webinars really do work, but I will say that they've changed. There are certain things you need to do now in a webinar that is much different. Like, as an example, some of the things that I'm going to share with you today, I'm going to show you how with EasyWebinar, you could be doing follow-up calls with a built-in CRM system built into EasyWebinar that will auto dial everybody who came to the workshop, attended, maybe they attended but left early. You can decide who gets follow-up calls, and it's auto dial built into the system. So what we've done with EasyWebinar is we've realized that EasyWebinar is a conversion tool, right? The webinars are a conversion tool, but you need even more to convert, right? You need a sales CRM on the back end. And if you don't have one already, we've built one into the system that will project manage, it will qualify your leads, it will organize your leads, and it will allow you to reach out to those people through auto dial and close more deals. So I'm gonna show that to you in a little bit here, okay? But before we do, the old model, is the funnel where it's awareness, interest, desire, and action, right? This is the old funnel that historically has been what people see. Here's why the old model sort of sucks. It takes months to move a prospect down from the awareness to the action stage. And you need to spend endless hours of content production to get it right. You need a funnel for each stage in the flow chart. And connecting each funnel to the next stage means it's going to become a complex spaghetti funnel, and that's just way too challenging to try to lift. It's just such a heavy lift. Whereas, when you don't use this, and I'm going to show you the better way to do it, it's cleaner. This model can take more than 2 months to perfect, right? And you're tweaking, refining, but it's not just one funnel. It's all these pieces put together. And so it's overwhelming. It actually takes probably more like 6 months to a year to really get this down. So what you actually need, you don't need a complex marketing funnel. You need a faster, simpler sales process. And this is it right here, right? It's just the 4-step webinar system, really simple. Awareness from an ad, or any content that you're driving traffic to, into the interest, which is the masterclass landing page, the registration page, right? EasyWebinar has we have built-in registration pages, and of course, they are drag and drop. We have a really nice drag and drop editor, but beyond that, we now have AI that will build all this stuff for you, by the way. So the interest is the registration page. The desire, they watch the webinar. The action is they have a call to action of book a call or selling right off the webinar, and boom, you get sales. And this system, is a shorter period of time. It's just one thing that you have to work on perfecting, right? Just one thing. You don't have 5,000 different funnels. You have just one funnel. And it takes a prospect a particular level of desire and certainty to financially commit to something that we know, right? And the thing is, $47 or less, a lead magnet, right? $197 or less, if that's your price point, long form sales letter. But if you're selling anything over $200, you need a webinar to do it. And I don't care if you want to call that thing, a video sales letter that's 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 minutes long. It's still a webinar. It's still a friggin' webinar. So you need to be able to sell anything over that price point, you're going to need a webinar. If you don't know me, I'm Casey. I'm the founder of EasyWebinar, but I also do coaching and mentorship all around this stuff because I have been doing it for almost 14 years. I have helped with strategies for clients that where we've helped them with their funnel creation, their offers, their pitches, their messaging. But moreover, because I've run and consulted on more like 100 plus webinars, generating 8 figures and more in total, really my superpower is providing sales and scalability systems to business owners so they can work less, create more impact, and make way more money. And we use our webinar system to do that, as well as aligning messaging, mission, and offer clarity.
All right, guys, I hope this has been good for you so far. You know, we're going to be jumping in and showing you, I'm going to show you how you can actually build a webinar. And you know, the problem of like, a webinar is amazing, it can be the backbone to your business. We hear people say that all the time about our business, like different clients like Joshua Wagner, who he was adding people to his church congregations through a webinar. He said EasyWebinar is the backbone to driving people into my congregation. So it's used in so many different ways, but like one of the biggest things is like it takes people forever to build a webinar, and we've removed that problem because with our AI tool now we can do it in literally minutes, and we're going to jump into this. But before I do, the best thing for you to do right now is to get your own access to EasyWebinar. And so you can get access for $1. You can get a 14-day trial. And while you're on the call with me, you can actually build out your webinar. This would be advisable for you to do. So get in there. You're going to write a single prompt, or you can detail it with more information on the prompts. And that will literally give you the information to be able to build an entire webinar funnel. So enjoy. Build it out. It's going to be amazing, and let's do it together. So get your 14-day trial right now here, and let's continue on.
I started off as a product creator a long time ago. I created a YouTube course. Before that time, I was a YouTube consultant. And before that time, I was in real estate. When the market crashed during the recession, I went from a job where I was making mid 6 figures to like 15,000. So I almost lost my house while I was going through this process of transitioning. Then I learned about YouTube. I saw the power of YouTube. I jumped in to start learning about it, and then I found clients where I was doing video marketing for in YouTube. And then from there, I started building a course. And I built a YouTube course. It took me 6 months to build, which was way too long. But by the time I launched it, no one was buying it. Crickets. I tried everything. I tried social media. I tried forums. I tried everything I could. The only thing that allowed me to actually start to generate sales was a webinar, okay? Hands down, the only thing. And the reason it was effective is because I took away all the expectation from it. Many of you guys, you know, when you talked to me just now, you said, oh, I'm nervous of the pitch, or what if I don't pitch right? What if I don't have the right slides? What if I don't have this? What if I don't have that? And I'm going to tell you right now, all that is noise. It's bullshit. You don't need any of it, to be honest with you. You could just be in front of the camera talking to your audience and sharing a result with them, and they'll come through, because you're building a human to human connection with this stuff. That's the goal, right? And when I took the pressure off of myself when I first started out, because I was terrible at presenting. I had a stutter, and I was an oversharer, and I didn't know what to price my product at. So what I started doing is live, no pitch webinars, just every single week. And here's where I see people going back to this, okay? I want you to take note of this, all right? Please take note of this. There are people now who have gone back to this model. First, they went, you know, the model changed. They were doing a lot of like automated webinars. Automated webinars got so popular. People were doing automated webinars, building funnels that you know, where, you know, hands off, right? And that became very, very popular. And then it lost its popularity, I think. And then, and now it's kind of on this research, but what's also on this resurgence is the idea of human connection, because of this thought and possibility of being over AI'd. I mean, how many of you guys are just, consumed with AI? You know, AI is in your face at all times, every time, right? And people are still wanting that human to human connection. So I've seen coaches, these are coaches that are 8-figure annual coaches who've changed their business models completely around, and now have gone towards more live workshops weekly. And Again, if you just show up, throw yourself on camera, right? And talk, hear the problems your people are having and give solutions. That can be better than any other marketing ploy that you may put into effect, right? So I want you to think of a webinar as fluid. There is no such thing as a perfect webinar. And I've seen a lot of people who have gone through what they thought was a perfect webinar only to fail and burn out miserably. So that's one of the reasons why I'm sharing this with you now. I'm sharing with you now this information because of the fact that if you basically need to remove the pressure, just do what you do best, which is solve problems, okay? Solve problems. That's really all you need to do. And when I started doing that on my webinars, when I started actually posting, doing these free no pitch webinars and just sharing value, people started asking me, where can I buy? Where can I buy? Do you have a program? Where is that? So that was valid for me to know. That validated the fact that I was creating the program in the first place. And then I started to sell. And then within my first year of running webinars on a weekly basis, I built an email list of 14,000 people, and I made $245,000 selling my online course. That was my first experience with, that was in the first 12 months of using webinars. Now, why should you use webinars? I think you know why. Your ideal customer comes to you in masses. You'll start making more sales, helping more people who need your product, all while working less and spending more time on higher level actions in your business, right? You won't have to do so many sales calls, right? You will now be able to do the one-to-many way of positioning your offer, your messaging, and then have calls on the back end after they've been indoctrinated. You probably can have just one salesperson instead of 6. We have a customer who that they were able to get rid of 6 sales members and just have one after they installed a webinar in the right in the front of their sales process, right? Like people will come to the webinar first and then the book a call, right? Again, a great sales webinar provides tremendous amounts of value, educates your target audience based on their desires, positions yourself as the authority, and targets those who are ready to buy right now, and converts customers en masse versus that one-on-one sticky situation, right? And basically, you're just one sale away from having it all, one sales webinar away. And some of you may be asking yourselves this, will webinars really work in my niche? And we've seen it in so many different niches, from chef baking pastries, where they generate 49,000 in 2 months, child development program, 16,000 in just one webinar, project management exam program, 16,000 in just one webinar, pickleball online course, right? And 200K in sales. We've seen it work for every niche